What's up guys, this is Vinny here. This is Trickology of Skateboarding, and following the list, today we're gonna get into how to do Fakie Ollie and also how to do Nollie. In the last video we learned how to do Ollie and also how to do Switch Ollie. This video we are gonna talk about the Fakie Ollie and also about the Nollie. Starting on the Fakie Ollie is pretty similar to the Ollie. The way I put my feet on the Fakie Ollie is the same as the Ollie. The only difference I get when I'm thinking about doing a Fakie Ollie is instead of popping it down, like popping it straight down, as you're going to that side, you're going backwards. I like thinking about popping it kind of diagonal. You kind of throw the board with it. And then when you throw it, your foot is gonna be already here. And when you're scratching it, when you're sliding it on the grip tape, it's gonna be already doing the drawing of the Fakie Ollie. And the only thing you're gonna have to do is keep on the board, weightless, wait the movement of the trick, and keep it right into the other side. The foot position, exactly like the Ollie. Middle of the tail, align with the front screws. You pop it, slide it, weight it right there, and then you kick right into the other side. So I just explained you the theory of how to do the Fakie Ollie, and as we talked about in the last video, the way I think is easier to learn tricks on skateboarding is observing how it's done. So now I'm gonna do the Fakie Ollies. I'll show you in all the angles that I can, and you guys can watch it and try yourself. We just talked about the Fakie Ollies. I showed you some Fakie Ollies, and now we are gonna go into the Nollie. So to do the Nollie is the same movements as the Fakie Ollie, just switched. So it's the Switch Ollie going to your regular stance, because you're just going backwards on the switched legs. You're gonna be going forward in your regular stance, and going forward you're gonna put your Switch Ollie base. The foot position is going to be literally the same as the Switch Ollie, and as I said in the Fakie Ollie, the Ollie and the Switch Ollie, I think about popping it down. When I do a Fakie Ollie or when I do a Nollie, I like thinking about popping it diagonal, because when you pop it down, it's easy to the board just come like this. When you pop it diagonal, the board kind of goes already on towards that direction of the Nollie. So once you in the foot, you position it to do the Nollie, you're gonna pop it diagonal, because it's gonna be 50% of the movement, and the rest of the movement is gonna be just your foot sliding on the grip tape. You're gonna just keep weightless, let the board do the work, and then when you land it, you just keep weightless and keep right into that side. Foot position, literally the same as a Switch Ollie. You're gonna pop it diagonal, you're gonna slide, and then it's gonna draw the trick, and then you're just gonna weight it, land it, and keep riding. I just explained the theory of how to do the Nollie. Now I'm gonna do some Nollies, and then you can just observe what my foot is doing, what my body is doing, what the board is doing, and then you can apply yourself. Thanks for watching the video till here. Today we talked about how to do Fakie Ollie and about how to do Nollie. And as I told you guys in the last video, we did Ollie and Switch Ollie. We have this list on the side where we are gonna keep following. All the videos are gonna be that format. Regular, switch, and then Fakie and Nollie. All the tricks, one by one. So you guys can just take the list and go applying yourself, making your own checklist. And that's it. I hope you guys have learned how to do Fakie Ollie and also how to do Nollie. If you didn't, just go back in the video, try one, and then go back in the video in the other part and try the other one. Subscribe in the bottom, like the video, leave it a comment, and send it to your friend who is also learning how to do the Fakie Ollie and also how to do the Nollie. Don't forget also to take the list and make your own checklist. Start trying one trick one by one and let me know in the comments how you guys are going. And that's it. I hope to see you guys in the next video.